A new year means a new outlook, a chance to refresh not just our routines, but also the way we see ourselves. As we step into 2025, it's the perfect moment to embrace change, to let go of old habits, and to welcome new trends that celebrate individuality and self-expression. This year, it's all about the eye lift effect, a makeup trend that's redefining beauty standards and encouraging everyone to highlight their natural features in a subtle, uplifting way. Unlike trends that demand dramatic transformations or a drawer full of products, the eye lift effect is refreshingly simple. It's about using just a few tools and easy techniques to create a look that's both modern and approachable. With a gentle sweep of a brush and a touch of shimmer, you can instantly brighten your eyes and give them a naturally lifted appearance, no complicated steps required. The secret lies in the strategic placement of light and shadow. By focusing on the outer corners and the center of the eyelid, you create an illusion of elevation, openness, and youthful energy that's universally flattering. Inspired by the effortless glamour of red carpet icons, the eye lift effect is designed for everyone, no matter your age, eye shape, or makeup experience. It's inclusive, adaptable, and easy to personalize. Gone are the days of heavy, multi-step routines. This trend embraces a softer, more blended approach, making it perfect for busy mornings or anyone seeking a fresh, modern vibe. The focus is on enhancing what you already have, letting your natural beauty shine through rather than covering it up. It's about feeling comfortable and confident in your own skin. At its core, this trend is about empowerment. It's about understanding your unique features, celebrating them, and using makeup as a tool to boost your self-assurance every day. In 2025, the eye lift effect stands as a symbol of effortless, radiant beauty, proof that even the smallest touches can make a big impact, helping you step into the new year with confidence and a fresh perspective. Achieving the eye lift effect is surprisingly simple. Just 3 easy steps stand between you and a more lifted, youthful gaze. Whether you're a makeup beginner or a seasoned pro, these techniques are quick to master and can make a dramatic difference in your look. First, take a deeper eyeshadow shade and focus it on the outer corner of your eye. Using a soft brush, blend the color upward and outward, following the natural angle of your lower lash line toward the tail of your brow. This creates the illusion of a lifted eye shape, instantly opening up your gaze and adding definition. Next, choose a light, shimmery eyeshadow and gently dab it onto the center of your eyelid. This step catches the light, making your eyes appear larger, brighter, and more awake. The shimmer draws attention to the center of your eyes, giving them a beautiful, wide-open effect. Finally, use a highlighting shade just beneath your brow arch. This subtle touch lifts the brow visually, enhancing the overall lifted look and adding a polished finish to your makeup. These 3 steps work together by using the power of light and shadow to reshape, define, and brighten your eyes. You'll notice how your eyes look more open and refreshed, almost like you've had a full night's sleep. Feel free to adjust the intensity of each step to suit your mood or occasion. Go subtle for everyday wear, or amp it up for a bold, dramatic effect on a night out. Once you get the hang of this technique, it'll quickly become your go-to trick for achieving a refreshed, open-eyed look that boosts your confidence every time you step out. The secret to a seamless eye lift effect? Layering. Start with a creamy bronzer or base to add warmth and contour. Apply cream or liquid eyeshadows for a dewy, skin-like finish. Blend a darker shade at the outer corner and a shimmer at the center. Set with powder shadows in similar tones to intensify color and lock everything in place. This cream then powder method boosts staying power and creates rich, multi-dimensional eyes. The result? Vibrant color, flawless blending, and all-day wear. Master this layering, and your eye lift will look polished and professional. 2025 is all about cool-toned eyeshadows. Think silvers, chromes, lavenders, and ashy browns. These shades brighten the whites of your eyes and make your gaze pop. Use ashy browns or slate grays for the outer lift and icy silvers or pinks for the center to create contrast and sparkle. Cool tones work for every skin type. Just pick shades with the right undertone for you. Modern palettes make experimenting easy, so don't be afraid to try something new. Keep blending soft and diffused for a chic, timeless look. Cool colors are your ticket to a fresh, captivating eye. The eye lift effect is part of a bigger 2025 beauty philosophy: minimal skin, maximalist eyes. Let your skin breathe with light, luminous products. Think tinted moisturizer or just a touch of concealer. The focus is on healthy, glowing skin and bold, expressive eyes. This approach celebrates authenticity, using makeup to enhance, not hide. Minimal skin lets your eye artistry shine, creating a look that's both glamorous and grounded. Celebrity artists are embracing this. One feature, perfected, is all you need. The result? A balanced, modern look that works for any occasion. Once your eyeshadow is set, it's time to add those finishing touches that truly elevate your look, from simple to stunning. These details might seem small, but they make all the difference in framing your eyes and enhancing that lifted effect you've created. For eyeliner, skip the heavy wing. Try a thin line with a slight upward flick at the outer corner to echo your lifted shadow. This subtle technique opens up the eyes and gives a gentle, natural lift, making your eyes appear more awake and youthful without overpowering the look. When it comes to mascara, reach for a lifting formula and focus on upward and outward strokes. This helps to fan out your lashes, drawing attention to the shape you've created. If you prefer a softer finish, you can skip mascara altogether and opt for a glossy, natural lash look that keeps things fresh and modern. Don't forget to curl your lashes for instant lift. This simple step can make your eyes look bigger and brighter in seconds. If you're skipping mascara, a touch of clear balm adds shine and definition, keeping your lashes looking healthy and polished. Brows are key to framing your masterpiece. Brush them up with a clear or tinted gel for a natural vertical lift that complements your eye look. Well-groomed brows help balance the face and draw attention to your eyes. Avoid harsh lines. Aim for soft, feathery brows that look effortless and natural. This approach keeps the focus on your eyes while still providing structure and definition. By layering these simple steps, you pull the whole look together, creating a harmonious, lifted effect that feels both modern and timeless. The result? Your eyes become the star of the show, perfectly framed, effortlessly polished, and ready to turn heads wherever you go. The best part of the eye lift effect? Anyone can do it. It's simple, quick, and works for every eye shape and skill level. All you need are 2 eyeshadows and your fingertips. No fancy tools required. The technique delivers instant results, boosting confidence and making makeup fun again. Adapt it for any occasion, soft and subtle for day, bold and shimmery for night. It's a versatile, empowering trick that's easy to personalize. Try it out, experiment, and see how a small change can transform your look and your mood. The eye lift effect, everyday magic made by you.